How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you this. Check this out, this before and after on this video. Well, today I'm going to show you this all-in-one AI video and image enhancer and converter. It's called VideoProc Converter AI. And it does so much more than just this, right? Because this is already a lot. With VideoProc, you can actually, of course, improve video quality. You can fix low FPS rate. You can improve audio quality from just audio tracks or from videos. And you even have this, a face restoration tool. Well, I'm gonna show you all of that and much more right now because you actually found the all-in-one video converter and enhancer you were looking for. Let's begin. Okay, so of course the first thing you have to do is get VideoProc, right? Of course, I'm gonna have a direct link right here at the first link of the description, and then you're gonna come straight to this page. Of course, we have Mac and Windows versions of this software. Today, I'm gonna focus on Mac, but it's the exact same thing. It does all the same features, okay? So all you have to do really is, of course, go ahead and download it. It's a free download, so you can go ahead, download and test it out for free. So go ahead, download it and install it. It's gonna be your typical DMG file as you're seeing right here. I already have it, so I'm just gonna cancel that download. And then all you have to do, of course, is run it, install it, and then in a few seconds, what you're gonna see is this VideoProc Converter AI. And then, as you can see, the software has a ton of tools and it does a lot of features. I'm gonna focus in this video in the main ones, starting with the super resolution, this first one. As you click on it, you're gonna see this other window, and then you can easily drag your video. And the whole point of the super resolution, as the name suggests, is to get a video that's in low resolution and make it good, beautiful. So reduce the noise, improve the quality, make it crisp, make it look good. Okay, so I'm gonna get this video right here. I'm gonna drag and drop to VideoProc. As you can see, it's loading and it's automatically gonna show us a preview of how the video is gonna look like. Of course, I'm gonna show you at the end the result. As you can see right here, we can choose exactly how we want the processing, the enhancement to happen. So we can even choose the AI model because, as you know, the whole process to get a way better video, way better resolution is done through AI. So we have here a few options. I generally prefer Gen Detail for videos like that because it's gonna help so much with improving and getting that noise out. So as you can see right here, we can even choose the mode. So if we want it to be high quality or fast. And as the name suggests, if you go with fast, the process itself is going to go way faster. But if you want the best quality of video enhancement, choose high quality mode, which is the one I'm choosing right here. You can also choose resolution. So as you can tell, I'm going to click on resolution. Again, we get here an updated preview. This is so cool. And we can choose the exact resolution that we want. We can go all the way to 4K. So we're going from 1280 by 720 to 4K. How cool is that? And then all you have to do really is click on run, and then the process will get started. Keep in mind that the process will vary a lot depending on the length of the video, how heavy it is, and of course how you choose to set up your video. In my case, as you saw, I went all the way, best quality, best resolution, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, but again, it's just gonna be a couple minutes and then you're good to go. And so after a couple minutes, we're done. Here's the enhanced video. Let's take a look side by side. So we got the original right here. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. As you can see, we're doing this all real time, and then open up the new video. Let's make it roughly the same size. So that's comparable, as you can see right here. And then, yeah, that's pretty much good. And then as you can see, take a look at the difference in quality. Take a look at this. So we've got here the original, we've got here the enhanced, and take a look at the detail. Take a look at the water, at the animal itself, and everything else. It's all blurry here at the top, and it's much crispier here at the bottom. The difference is definitely there. We can definitely tell, as I showed you in the intro and now in the secondary video live here for you. Now let's talk about something else. Let's say you have a super low frame rate video like this sample that I got. As you can see, check this out. See how choppy this is, because of course this is 5 FPS. So take a look at this. So it feels like it's a bunch of little photos stitched together, right? So you get this very choppy effect. It doesn't even look like a video. Of course, I got this example just to be a very dramatic example of a low frame rate video, and I'm gonna use VideoProc to actually help me fix it. Again, this is super radical, drastic example. The videos I'm probably gonna use here are probably not as low as 5 FPS, but of course, this is just to give you the idea of how powerful it is. So let's get here and use the feature called frame interpolation. And the idea here is that VideoProc will actually add some frames in between the video to make it smoother. And again, it's gonna do that with AI. It's amazing. So I have here 5 FPS original. I'm gonna go ahead and drag, as you can see. So it's super choppy video right here. And then of course I can use the insert frames. So we're gonna actually insert, so VideoProc is gonna create frames and insert to make it as natural as possible. So to actually add more frames and make it smoother. So in this case, we're gonna go 3 times. So we're gonna triple the number of FPS. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna run and let it do its thing. Now that we're done, we can already click to open up and then check this out. Now, keep in mind, as I've mentioned, this is a really radical example. This is 5 FPS, okay? But still, as you can see, it makes it way more natural. So take a look at the before and after. Take a look at the original video. We're gonna go ahead here and put the original on the left and then the enhanced on the right. Again, take a look at this, super choppy. And take a look at this, way more natural. Again, this is a very, very unusual scenario you're probably not gonna face, but I wanted to show you in this very intense example because it may be hard to show you like going from like 30 to 45 through the camera. So I decided to make this extreme example just to make it easier for you to see. Now I want to talk about something different. Let's talk about audio. So let's say you have a video, as you're seeing right here, but then the audio
is actually a big deal. And I'm not talking about
is not very good. Maybe you have a lot of echo or background noise. The audio is just really, really bad. It happens, right? So let me show you how to actually clear that audio and make it way better. So if we click on Audio AI, you already got it. You're already familiar with VideoProc, right? Okay, so we're gonna do as we're used to. I'm gonna get an original clip, this one with not a very good audio quality, with a bunch of echo, not good quality at all. And then we have the video right here. Let me just move a little bit forward because the first frame is black. So let me just show you that that's the video right there. And then we have here again some tools that we can play with. In this case, we don't want vocal remover. Of course, if you want to, you can do that. But if we do set this option, it's gonna cut my voice completely, which is not the point. So I'm gonna uncheck that. And what we want is this one, noise suppression. So again, we can choose an AI model. I'm gonna go with this one, 3.0. And then here it's the noise attenuation limit. And here you can choose how much of the effect that you want. I generally play between 20 and 40, but of course it's up to you. And then we're pretty much good to go here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit run, and then let's just wait a few seconds. This is very, very fast. As you can see, this is live as we're speaking. We're already like halfway done, and then we're gonna be good to go. As you can see, the file will be generated here on the desktop. I can close that just to show it to you, and then as I double click on it and then press play, we have here the corrected enhanced video. Of course, in this case, which is not visual, this is audio, is gonna be much harder for me to show you because of course I'm using a microphone right next to my mouth, to my chest, so then it's gonna be hard for you to identify the improvement through the speakers of my computer, but you have to trust me on this one. It's way better, not robotic, not synthetic at all. This is very nice. And last but not least for this video, I want to talk about image AI, because even though it says VideoProc, right? But this is not just for video enhancement and conversion, because VideoProc will help you with your images as well. So as you can see, we've got the dedicated image AI tool, which is gonna have a very similar interface, which we are already familiar with. And then all you have to do really is drag and drop, just like before. I used this image, which is, as you can see, a very old photo, so it has like stains, and it's a little beat up because of the time, right? So the image is very old, it's an old photograph. And then if you throw it at VideoProc, the result you're gonna get is this one, because I have previously done that to show you. You already saw that in the intro. This is the result. Take a look at this. How amazing is that? The amount of detail we've got on the image and everything else. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to give you an overview and show you the most important features on VideoProc Converter AI. Of course, we have the conversion tools, we have DVD, downloader, compressor, recorder, stabilization. So the software is super complete. But in this video, I wanted to focus on the AI tools, and that's exactly what I did. Please make sure to go to their website. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna have a direct link in the description. First link, there are always amazing sales going on. So make sure to download it for free, test it out. And if you do enjoy it, which I'm sure you will, as I said, always amazing discounts and offers right here on their website through the dedicated link in the description. Go ahead and test it out. You're gonna love VideoProc, I guarantee. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, bye bye guys.